Hi, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today, not a good day, bit rainy day. However, I got the recovery job. We'll see how it's going on. I had to go to the truck first. Right, came to the truck. I'm going to park here behind the truck. Next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check basic checking like a engine oil, coolant level, and also I want to make sure all lights work fine, like a brake light, parking light, reverse light, and the beacon in the top of the hood. Yeah, I'm going to do the basic checkings. Then after that, head into the job. Right, came to the place. This is the car, gray color car. Need to pick up. Yeah, I'm parking somewhere. I will load the car and come back to you. Right, this job not far, basically 14 minutes away, 3.5 miles. Yeah, once I go there, I'll come back to you. Right, came to the place, then I'm going to unload the car. Right, done the jet job, unload the car and took the pictures. Yeah, and hand the car to the garage and also inform to the customer by text message and call. Yeah, all happy, all good. Now this afternoon I'm going to ask the review. That's the best practice. If you do the good job, contact customer and ask leave for the review. Yeah, you can grow your business. Yeah, at the moment I have another 2.5 hours to the next job. Because of that, I'm heading to the garage and have a look what's going on there. See you soon.